In this video, we are going to talk about the universal set. What is universal set? Now, from the word universe, universe is something which is containing everything. There's nothing which is out of universe. So the same concept is for universal set. So universal set is such a set. You can say it's a set of all the elements of the related sets, or you can say whatever, in whatever context we are talking, so all the elements related to that particular thing, that would be the universal set for that particular problem. So let's suppose that I have different teams. Okay, so team A is the students who play tennis, and team B is the set of students who play, let's suppose, football. Team C is the students who play cricket. So we have group of all these students who want to play different games. Sets are made depending upon the type of game. Okay, so here it's tennis, here football, and the third one is the cricket. So how can we come up with the universal set? So since universal set is such a set which consists of all the elements which are in the consideration, so here different games are in consideration. So universal set is going to be the set of all the students who play tennis, students who play football, and the students who play cricket. So this is the universal set for this problem, because the context is the students playing different games. So the universal set is the set of all the students playing different games, right? So there's nothing which is out from the universal set. You can say that universal set is the set which consists of all the subsets, okay, which are given in the problem. So I hope that you have understood it. Now let's do some problems. Okay, how do we notate it? So the notation, we represent universal set by letter U. Okay, so this U is for the universal set. It's not union. Right here it's not union. Union is always between two different sets, but this is set U, it's not union, right? Secondly, when we draw it graphically, since it's a universal set, a grand set, so we always make use of this rectangle, and within that this rectangle goes our different subsets. This is our set, okay, and these are different subsets. All right, now previously we have seen the example of the students playing different games. So now let's make the Venn diagram here so that you understand. So we are going to make a very big universal set, and this universal set consists of all the students playing different games. Okay, and within that we have students playing football. Okay, we have students playing tennis, and we have students playing cricket. So this is how Venn diagram is. Okay, so remember that universal set is always represented graphically by using the rectangle. Okay, so now let's do some practice so that you get this. So our question is that what would be the universal set? So can you come up with the universal set? These are the two sets. These are basically subsets which are given to you. So you are now asked to make the universal set out of it. So as I said, that universal set is a set which consists of all the elements which are there in the context. So here we have even and odd numbers. So what we are going to do is we are going to jot down all the elements. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the other set has 1, 3, 5, 7. Order does not matter, but you can of course put them in order. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just have written all the numbers or the elements in one set, and that set is the universal set. So this is our universal set. Okay, so this is problem number 2. So you are again asked to form the universal set. So here in the first one you have all the letters, alphabets, and in here you have all the numbers. So what would be the universal set? The universal set would be all the numbers here and all the letters here. So A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our universal set. Now let's see this example. It's a bigger one, it seems to be. So the first one is the A grade student of class 7, right? B is the B grade students, C is the C grade students, F is the students who failed. So what would be the universal set? There's one possibility that you can write all of them as we have been writing, but there's one more easy way. U is the set of all the students of class 7. So these are all the students of class 7, and among all the students there would be some who would have scored A, some would have scored B, some C, and there would be some who would have failed. So U is the set which comprises of all the students of class 7. Okay, now here you can see some arbitrary sets. Okay, there are three sets now, and you are to make the universal set out of it. So let's do it. Okay, remember that in universal set the repetition, you can avoid repetition. Okay, there's no need to repeat the numbers. For example, if you can see here, 9 is repeated in B and as well as in C, so there's no need to write 9 two times, rather you would write it only once. Okay, so the first set is 1, 3, 6, 8. The next is 2, 4, 5, 9. The next is, okay, 5 is also repeated. 9 is also there. We have already included. So there is only 12 left. So here we go. So this is the universal set for the given problem. Okay, so we have previously discussed this problem and you came up with the universal set as well, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was the universal set. Now I would ask you to make the Venn diagram of this given problem. Pause the video and try to make the Venn diagram. I hope that you would have come out with a Venn diagram. If you were wrong, no problem, we are going to make it together. So as we have discussed that universal set is always represented by the rectangle. So here goes our rectangle, which is representing the universal set. And since these two, both the sets, these are the subsets or the sets taken from this or two, so we are going to make it inside in the circle. Okay, so subsets are made in circle. Okay, and one is for the even numbers, and one is for the odd. So we have odd 1 3 5 7, whereas we have even 2 4 6 8. So this is how we represented graphically that these two subsets are the part of this universal set. So I hope that you have now understood the universal set. Have a happy learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.